AR devices are in for a boost thanks to Qualcomm's latest XR chip. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. During a keynote at Augmented World Expo, the company unveiled its Snapdragon Reality Elite processor, which it'll make next generation of AR headsets a much smaller and efficient. The new chip can support up to 4.4K resolution in each eye at 90 frames per second, providing better image quality and lower latency. It's also bringing up to 20% a boost in battery life while running almost 12 degrees Celsius cooler compared to the XR2 Plus Gen 2. Performance-wise, Reality Elite comes with 60% higher GPU performance, up to 30% increase in CPU performance, and up to 160% higher NPU performance. Put it all together and you get a chip that gives you a smaller, more efficient device without sacrificing performance. It can also handle on-device AI features like photorealistic avatars and agentic capabilities. Till now, Qualcomm's VR and MR chips have gotten XR branding, with the latest being the XR2 Plus Gen 2. Snapdragon Reality Elite will now take the place as the highest-end XR chip Qualcomm offers. Apart from the Reality Elite, Qualcomm also introduced a new platform for smart glasses called Start Short for scalable turnkey AI-ready toolkit. The system is meant to be an off-the-shelf solution for companies that want to make smart glasses or other AI-powered wearables. The Start package consists of a dedicated module equipped with Qualcomm's AR1 Plus chip, as well as integrated software, including companion iOS and Android apps. Eyewear brands can offer one of these and tweak them to fit their needs. Though the company didn't announce any specific new smart glasses during the event, but it's not hard to imagine that Start will urge a lot more eyewear companies to start experimenting with AI-powered features. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.